Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone and seeing a notification from YouTube saying that you've got $10,000 of revenue from your last video. This happens every single day for people who are dropshipping on YouTube right now, and it can happen for you too. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how to turn your YouTube channel into a passive income machine. We're going over everything from start to finish, what products to sell, where to get them, how to automate the fulfillment process, and most importantly, how to scale this to 7 or 8 figures. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on YouTube in 2023, then smash that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. Before we jump into how to dropship on YouTube, we first need to understand how YouTube actually makes you money. With YouTube, there's 2 main ways that you can monetize your content. The first way is through ads. Every time someone watches an ad on your video, you'll get paid a small amount of money. And the second way is through sponsorships. You can reach out to companies and promote their products on your videos and get paid thousands of dollars per video. But both of these methods require one very important thing, and that is making videos. That means that as long as you're consistently creating content, you will continue to make money. This is why people are turning their YouTube channels into passive income machines, because once the content is created, it continues to bring in money even while you sleep. Now that we understand how YouTube makes you money, it's time to pick a niche. Your niche is simply the type of content that you're going to be creating. For example, if you wanted to create content around gaming, you could make videos showing people how to set up their gaming setups, what gear they should buy, or even just review some of the latest gaming gadgets. Another great niche is fitness, because there's always new workout routines and fitness fads that people are interested in. But whatever niche you decide to go with, make sure that you're passionate about it, because you're going to be spending a lot of time creating content around that topic. After you've picked your niche, it's time to create some videos. Now don't worry, you don't need to be a professional filmmaker, because most of the successful YouTube channels out there didn't start with fancy equipment or big budgets. They started with just a smartphone and a tripod. In fact, I recommend that you start with what you have, because it is more important to create quality content than it is to have the most expensive gear. So film a few videos, get them up on YouTube, and then promote them on social media to get some views. The next step is to find a winning product. A winning product is simply a product that's in demand but has little to no competition. To find a winning product, I recommend using a software called Sales Samurai. It's a Chrome extension that you can use to analyze any store that you want. You can use it to see what products are selling well by looking at the best-selling items on Amazon, or you can use it to analyze a specific store and see what their best-selling products are. Once you find a product that's selling well, you can use Sales Samurai to get sales data on that product. This will show you how many units the product has sold and how much revenue it's generated. If a product has sold a lot of units and generated a lot of revenue, then it's likely that it's a winning product. Once you've found a winning product, it's time to create a video around it. This video will be a review of the product where you show how it works and why people should buy it. Be sure to include keywords in your video so that people can easily find it when they search on YouTube. And the final step in the dropshipping process is to fulfill the order when someone buys the product through your link. You need to fulfill the order by shipping the product directly to them. The best way to do this is to use a software called CJ Drop. CJ Drop is a dropshipping fulfillment company that will ship your products directly to your customers. All you have to do is create an account and list your products on their website. Then when someone buys your product, CJ Drop will automatically ship it out to them. So that's how you dropship on YouTube. By following these steps, you can turn your YouTube channel into a passive income machine. Remember to pick a niche that you're passionate about, create quality content, and find a winning product. And if you're looking for more tips on how to dropship on YouTube, I recommend checking out my full course where I go over everything in depth. Thanks for watching and good luck.